Hey there, wellness wavers. If you want to build serious muscles, you are in the right place. Because in this video, we will discuss 6 full-body isometric holds that are designed to activate and build muscles fast. These holds are perfect for a busy schedule, and they are great for any fitness level. The best part, they can be done anywhere. Coming up later in the video are science-backed isometric holds that are proven to ignite muscle growth. So make sure to stick around because you don't want to miss them. Without further ado, let's begin. First up is wall sit. This classic isometric hold primarily activates your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. But here's the kicker. It also sneaks in core engagement the entire time. It is pretty simple to perform. Just slide down a wall until your knees are bent to a 90-degree angle, keeping your thighs parallel to the floor, feet shoulder-width apart, and your back flat against the wall. Hold that position for as long as you can. A 2022 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that isometric holds like the wall sit aren't just great for muscle growth. They also slash blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. The longer you hold, the more your muscles fight to stabilize under tension, which means faster gains in strength and stamina. And the best part? It's incredibly joint-friendly. To level up, toss a weight plate or a heavy backpack onto your lap. Want to torch your calves? Lift your heels off the ground mid-hold, or squeeze a resistance band between your knees to fire up those inner thighs. Aim for 3 to 5 sets, holding as long as possible each time, and rest for about 60 seconds between sets. Next up is the dead hang. Don't let the simplicity of the dead hang fool you. This is one of the most underrated exercises for building a bulletproof upper body, shoulder resilience, and raw grip strength. You will need a pull-up bar and the willingness to hang tight. Check the link provided in the description for an affordable one. Just grip the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart, arms fully extended, and let your body dangle freely with your feet off the ground. No movement, no fancy techniques, just you versus gravity. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that grip strength isn't just about opening stubborn jars. It's a key predictor of overall muscular endurance and even longevity. Beyond that, dead hangs work magic on your posture by decompressing your spine, perfect for undoing that desk slump and improving shoulder mobility. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal. You're building the foundational strength for pull-ups, rock climbing, or carrying heavy groceries and giving your joints a health boost. To make it more challenging, start timing yourself. Aim for 30 seconds and work your way up to 2 minutes or more. Want to crank it up? Try active hangs by pulling your shoulder blades down slightly, as if you're starting a pull-up. For the daredevils, test one-arm hangs or strap-on ankle weights. Keep your shoulders slightly engaged. Track your holds weekly, and if you feel your grip starts trembling, that shake means you are building something epic. Stick with it, and you'll notice your pull-ups feel lighter, your posture stands taller, and your grip's getting stronger. Next up is the sculpting side plank hold. The side plank hold isn't just another core exercise. It's a secret weapon for sculpting rock-solid obliques, firing up your glutes, and bulletproofing your spine. By forcing your body to resist gravity in a sideways position, it torches your transverse abdominis, the deep core muscles that act like a natural weight belt, shoulder stabilizers, and even the often neglected serratus anterior. But the perks don't stop there. A 2018 study in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found that unilateral holds like side planks boost athletic performance, slash lower back injury risk, and sharpen balance, making it a must-have for athletes or anyone craving a stronger, more resilient body. No equipment? No problem. Beginners can bend their knees for stability, while advanced can level up by raising their top leg, strapping a dumbbell to their hip, or battling a 60-second hold. This is perfect for runners needing hip stability and lifters seeking anti-rotational strength. To nail it, stack your feet together, plant your elbow under your shoulder, then lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core like you're about to take a punch, and never let those hips sag. If your side starts quivering, you're on the right track. That shake is your body shouting, "We're getting stronger." Stick with it, and you'll stand taller, move smoother, and outlast your workouts. Moving on to the V-sit hold. The V-sit hold is your ticket to a chiseled core, hip flexor strength, and ironclad balance, all without a single piece of equipment. Here's the brutal beauty of it. Sit on the floor, lift your legs straight out, lean your torso back into a V shape and hold. Sound simple? Your abs and obliques will disagree. A 2021 study in the International Journal of Exercise Science found that isometric holds like the V-site dramatically enhance your trunk stability and balance by forcing your core muscle to engage intensely with every second under tension. This isn't just a pose, it's a full-body tension game where control meets raw strength. Beginners can start with bent knees, but dare to level up by stretching your arms overhead, adding a weight plate to your lap, or pulsing your legs mid-hold. Perfect for gymnasts nailing handstands, calisthenics warriors chasing that three-dimensional six-pack. Keep your spine long, no slouching. Legs laser straight and shoulders loose. If your abs start trembling at the 10-second mark, that's your core building something epic. Did you try that hold? Let us know in the comments. Next is the isometric push-up hold. The isometric push-up hold is a brute force test of upper body strength and core stability. By pausing halfway down in a push-up position and holding static, you hammer your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core under relentless tension. This isn't just about endurance. It's about teaching your muscles to stabilize under load, a skill backed by research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, which links isometric holds to improved muscle activation and pushing power. To intensify the burn, hold the position closer to the ground, slow your breathing, or lift one leg off the floor. Ideal for fighters refining explosive power calisthenics, athletes chasing strict muscle control, or gym goers looking to break through plateaus. Keep your elbows at 45 degrees and your body in line from shoulders to heels and core locked tight. Consistent holds build serious muscle strength over time. Another great isometric hold is the classic glute bridge hold. The glute bridge hold is a spine-friendly powerhouse for activating your glutes, hamstrings, and core while safeguarding your lower back. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, and drive your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top and hold. This is where the magic happens. A study in the Journal of Sports Rehabilitation confirms that isometric glute bridges boost hip strength, reduce lower back pain, and promote proper pelvic alignment. Whether you're an athlete chasing explosive power or someone undoing hours of desk slouching, this move builds a foundation for healthier movement and joint longevity. To dial up the challenge, try a single leg hold. You can also add a dumbbell across your hips or loop a resistance band above your knees to ignite your outer glutes. For perfect form, press through your heels, brace your core like you're preparing for a punch, and avoid arching your lower back. The harder you squeeze your glutes at the top, the faster you'll see gains in muscle tone, posture, and hip resilience. You've just crushed 6 brutal isometric holds. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with friends. If you are new here, welcome. Want to unlock the one exercise most trainers won't teach you? This is the secret move that torches fat twice as fast, in half the time. Smash this next video here, no fluff, no filters. Until then, stay consistent with these holds and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.